Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DB Design, and in this video we are going to start the mechanical mates. In the mechanical mates we have the first mate, which is a cam follower, right? So as you have seen the engines, the valve mechanism works on the cam and follower mechanism. So for that, what mates you should give and how you should define the geometry, right? So firstly, I want to showcase the geometry of cam. It should be closed and should be tangent from this side. If you don't tangent this, then it will not selected in the whenever you are applying the cam assembly, right? So for that you have to maintain the surfaces tangent. Okay, now I will delete this mate just to make you understand how it is working, right? Now as you can see, it is rotating around this circle which I have created, and I will give the concentric, this and this coincident. Okay, so as you can see, okay, I have to give the coincident with this surface. Okay, done. Now as you can see, it is moving like this, right? Now I will coincident this faces. Okay, I am done. So as you can see, you can move this circle, and you have to apply this circle to move on this surface of the cam whenever you are rotating this, right? So what you should do, you just go to the mates, go to the mechanical mates, and go to the cam, right? Whenever you are going to the cam, you can just select what is the cam path. My cam path will be this, which is a green selected surface, and cam and follower will be this. So as you can see, it is connected with my cam, right? And you can click it OK. Now if you rotate this, it will follow the path of the cam surface, right? So whatever mechanism you are connected with this circle, it will move linearly, right? So if you have apply any mate to the fixed square over here, so it will move linearly only. But for now, just because I have not constrained this circle in a linear property, that's why it is moving in a circular way, right? So that's how you can assemble your cam and follower mechanism, and you can try out your valve mechanism. So yeah, that's for the practice, and yeah, that's for all for the video. Keep sharing, keep watching.